So basically, one thing you get to see almost in every website or web application is a sideNav or a nav bar. So in today's session, I'll just be taking you through how to create a basic sideNav, how to go about it when creating your own. So let's get going. Alright, I have this empty files, HTML, app.js, and style.css. So first, this I use Emmet so to get my boilerplate or starter file. So yeah, now let's link our CSS to style CSS, and now with the script, we add our script. Good. Okay, so and I have UL. Now we'll be using just 3 links: home, about, and contact. Okay, and now let's add our icon. And Mr. Icon, we use this span. The icon, we'll be using the high five emoji. To get your emoji, just press on Windows and the dot. See, it opens up. So I'll be using this as my icon. Let's save it. Reload. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so now let's style it up. Let me take out the margin and the padding, and then the box size and box. Good. Okay, so now what do we do next? Okay, let's take our UL, give it a width of 30%, give it a height of 100 viewport height, give it a background of black and a color of white. Now the next thing is we give it a position of fixed, and then we give it a top of 0, then we give it a left of minus 100%, which means it should, before let's give it 0, then style up the LIs. Good. Okay, so the list item, give it some padding, 2 REM. That's nice. Okay, so now let's give this the left of minus 100% in order to take it away. Good. So now it's in here. Okay, so now let's start our icon up. Let's give it a font size of 2 REM. Nice. Let's give it a cursor pointer. Okay, and we give this one to a position of fixed. You see, this one too should stay over here. See, like there, those bar always sit here. When you click on it, then it moves. Then when you click on it, then it closes. You get it? So this one to a position of fixed, and top of 0, left of 0. Okay, great. You know, the idea is when I click on this, it moves to this side, and the sideNav also comes into view. Okay, so first we'll create a class of move for the icon, and the icon will move to from the left. You see, the width of the UL is 30%, meaning it will take 30% of the view. So we will move this one to, let's say, 30.5%, so that the sideNav wouldn't come to lay on it. You get it? And now we will give it the side a class of slide, the sideNav a class of slide, and give it a left of 0, meaning it will be 0 away from the edge of the viewport. You get it? Okay, now let's go into get our icon, document query selector, you see this, we're selecting the icon class. So the query selector makes you use the CSS selectors right in JavaScript to get it. So in our menu will be document query selector, the UL, right? Okay, so now you add an event listener to the click event listener to the icon. You get it? When we click on it, then it do what we want it to do. You get it? Okay, so first let's check if it works. So let's do a console.log icon click. So when we click on it, we get this icon click, not select, click. Okay, so now let's inspect. Then we get this, go to see icon click, meaning it works. Good. Okay, so we'll just clear this up. So what do? We want to add the class list. You see, the class list is used for targeting the class of the DOM element. So we'll be adding this class, this move, to this icon. You see, to move from the left to 35.5 and 30.5%. Okay, so we do class list dot add. No, we don't do add. Let's say dot toggle. And you see, the toggle means, let's say if it has that class, it takes it out. If it doesn't, then it adds it to it. You get it? The toggle move. You see, you just do move. You don't add the dot selector. You get it? So let's see if it works. And before, let's inspect this. So where is it? This. You see this icon. You see, when we click on it, check the class. You see, now it has a move class to it. When you see, this is what the toggle does. If it doesn't have the move, it adds it to it. If it has, it takes it away from it. You get it? So yeah. So we do the same thing to the menu. So menu.classlist.toggle what slide. Just do slide. You don't add the selector. Okay. So boom, boom. But you see, it just appears. Let's give some transition to it. So for the UL, let's give a transition of 300 milliseconds is in. Okay, so see, okay, this one just vanishes to that point and vanishes back. We ain't doing magic here, we are coding, please. So transition, let's give the same thing. So 300 milliseconds is in. Okay, so good, nice. But you see, we want this to change whenever we click on it. So we come here and check if the icon inner text is the high five. Please, we want you to take it away for us. Okay. So we do icon dot inner HTML is equal to. So equal to just one is used for assigning, property, and the 3 is used to check. Okay. So just do this. You get it? Else, please add it to it. Okay. Good boy. So we add it to it. So before, let me put it in quotes. See, we treat it as a string. You get it? Okay, nice. Now let's see. Now you get it. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, so this is how to implement your sideNav. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.